A recent post on Hacker News introduced a new minimalist Kanban board tool. There are a lot of those. A notable one is the built-in project board in GitHub. I like perusing topics like this on Hacker News because it's a good way to take the reading of the developer vibe. I was looking for what kinds of features developers would suggest to add to a minimalist tool. The answer? None. Not once did they mention story points, velocity, cycle time, throughput, or any other metric. They didn't even mention Scrum, and the tool under discussion would be considered inadequate by many Scrum masters. This leads me to think that the way Agile is practiced, which is most often some form of Scrum, is diverging even more than it had from what developers want and need. Apart from having dumped the obviously hilarious jargon called grooming, Agile jargon has only gotten worse, along with more meaningless metrics. Developers intuitively know that the only important metric is a consensus that what is being made is what is desired. The cost of Agile getting encrusted with jargon and fake metrics is that it becomes irrelevant to management decision-making about project resources. There are sophisticated ways of allocating enterprise resources that software projects could and should be making use of. But first, you have to cut through the thicket of bullshit that has grown up around Agile. Project management should be one of the most powerful tools for evaluating resource allocation in an enterprise. A good start toward achieving that potential would be to discard Agile jargon, meaningless metrics, and study the tool set of senior management decision-making. Software development projects are an underappreciated domain where sophisticated senior management decision-making tools could be applied, but as long as software development project management is lost in the maze of Scrum-specific jargon, it's going to alienate other parts of the enterprise from what could be a very productive domain for collaboration.